So how is this going to change like the life of everyday person? I mean, to me, it's obvious. What is for so many people the first or the biggest hurdle in their life is not being able to do everything that they would like to do because of an issue with their heart, their diabetes, their pancreas, whatever it is. You pass age 40, there's something that starts to show up that does not allow you to do everything that you would like to do as you age. What if you could change that by understanding that the body has a health system, and if you can support that health system, you can allow these people to regain optimal health and keep it. I mean, the impact in the life of millions, billions of people is amazing.